Good morning, children. Today we will do chapter 10, which is a poem. How beautiful is the rain. It is a poem written by a very famous American poet, H.W. Longfellow. When Longfellow was 13 years old, he began to publish his own poems. This poem shows Longfellow's great gift of being able to write melodious poetry. This poem is really a song of praise, praising rain. It describes how the rain falls after a hot day in the summer and how various people welcomes it. The poem is full of rhythm and beauty. So let's start the poem. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. The poet says that the rain is beautiful because it comes in the hot summer and settles the dust in the air and cools the heat. The rain falls everywhere in the narrow lanes and the hot street. Fiery street represents hot, matlab heat. The whole atmosphere is hot after summer. The last line is repetition of first line. Okay, why this repetition is there? This repetition of the lines gives a continuous flow of rain and it gives a poetic effect also. Okay, so एक rhythm बनाने के लिए and to show that the rain is falling continuously and continuously it is looking beautiful to everyone. Okay, now the next paragraph. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Okay, clatters means the sound of the rain when it falls on the roof. Okay, जब roof के ऊपर वो गिरता है तो जो sound आता है वो. Tramp means sound of the heavy steps made by any animal. Okay, especially the horse. As the drops of the rain are falling on the roof, the sound which is coming is expressed or described, okay, as clatters. It is compared to the sound of the hoofs made by the horses. Okay, hoof मतलब जो horses के leg के नीचे जो रहता है उसको hoof बोला जाता है और वो hoof से जो sound आता है it is compared to that. When horses stamps their steps, that sound. Okay, how it gushes means how it comes out from the pipe of the roof downwards. Spout means pipe. When pipe overflows, the water comes out. So here the rain is described as being full of energy. The words gushes, struggles shows strength. Okay, that it is so strong. The rain which is falling is so strong. Okay, it is falling on the earth, means it is describing its strength. Now the third paragraph. Across the window pane it pours and swift and wide with a muddy tide like a river down the gutter roars. The rain, the welcome rain. Okay, now across the window pane shows that the rain is falling everywhere. Okay, why children? Pours word is repeated. Okay, this pours and pours. It is repeated to present a feeling of an action happening continuously. Okay, matlab rain continuously the rain is falling. It is continuously falling quickly, okay? It is falling very strongly, it is falling very quickly and wide, means everywhere. With muddy tide means the rainwater has become muddy due to the mud and dust that had accumulated in the summer time. It is the gutter when all water starts accumulating. Okay, in gutter it starts accumulating, it starts flowing with a sound. So this is compared to a river flowing in the sea. Okay, जैसे एक river sea में flow होती है, okay, and there the waterfall is created. So here also the water is accumulated and it is falling into the gutter. So that comparison is there. The poet and all those who love rain in the summer welcomes the rain. It is welcomed because it cools down the hot earth and the hot atmosphere. Okay, so it is written the rain, the welcome rain, because it is welcomed by everyone. Then the next paragraph. The sick man from his chamber looks at the twisted brooks. He can feel the cool breath of each little pool. His fevered brain grows calm again and he breathes a blessing on the rain. Okay, the sick man means a man who is irritated, okay, by the hot sun. So from his window, from his room, okay, over there is a window. From there he sees the small puddles are made by the rain. This is denoted by the brooks that twisted and flow. That the brooks means what? Small rivers which are made, okay, they are twisted and turned. उन लोग का कोई एक flow नहीं होता है. All right, the sick man can feel the cool air that blows from each little pool around his house. Pool मतलब क्या? Puddles. Okay, the puddles which are made around his house. Okay, from there the cool air is blowing. He feels relieved from his pains due to the heat. He feels calm that he blesses the rain. As rain is making him happy, and so he is blessing the rain. From the neighboring school come the boys with more than their wonted noise and commotion, and down the wet streets sail their mimic fleets, till the treacherous pool engulfs them in its whirling and turbulent ocean. Okay, in the above stanza, the poet speaks of the small boys from the school who are overjoyed to see the rain, and they ran from their classes to wet streets. Wet streets means flooded streets, making noises and screaming in excitement. Wanted, WONTED means more than usual, okay, जो हर रोज वो जितनी आवाज निकालते हैं उससे ज़्यादा. They play in the rain and in the pool of water, which is mixture of water, mud and dirt, but they don't care and fall into it. They make boats and try to float into the flooded water. This water, as I told before, accumulates into a drain. Drain मतलब जो manhole roads पे दिए जाते हैं. When these children are flowing boats, the poet is showing us the effect of whirling. Whirling means moving round and round. Okay, मतलब बोट जब वहाँ पे पहुँचती है तो वो वाटर में राउंड एंड राउंड वो घूमती है. Okay, it turns round and round. Then it falls into the drain or manhole, which is denoted as turbulent ocean. In the country, on every side, went far and wide, like a leopard's tawny and spotted hide, stretches the plain to the dry grass and the drier grain. How welcome is the rain. Okay, every side of the country, the rain is welcomed because everywhere it is dry. Okay, the earth have become dry, the ground have become dry. All right, the plains have become dry. Children, tell me, have you observed your skin during winter season? It becomes very dry and stretching. Okay, हम लोग को marks दिखने लगते हैं. तो same way here, the earth is also compared to the skin of the leopards. Okay, tawny means yellow and spotted. Okay, yellow color means dry. Yellow मतलब ड्राइनेस को वो डिनोट करता है. ऑल राइट, द ग्राउंड इज ड्राई, द ग्रासेस आर थर्स्टी एंड ड्राई. हाउ रेन मस्ट बी welcomed over here. Imagine this parched and dry plains is overjoyed on the arrival of the rain, and so it is written, how welcome is the rain. Okay, till here today. Next paragraphs I will explain in the next video.